Now, if you haven't sold your bike, these are the standards. Please do not take buyers who come walking saying leta funguo na logbook niende. Those are not the buyers you need. Good afternoon, good evening, wherever you are watching this video from. So the title of this video definitely spells out a bit of what's going to happen in the rest of the video. So Kenia has a new owner, but you have to watch until the end for the reveal of the new owner. In the meantime, let's go downstairs. I know you dirty minds, and get Kenia ready for her new owner. And I'm just about to start cleaning her up. One of the requests that the new owner made is that we remove all the signatures that are on this bike, which is something that I totally respect. Kenia is going to a new owner, and the new owner deserves to have Kenia the way he wants them to. So I've already leaked the first. Already used the he, yeah, so you already know it's a guy. I'm going to be cleaning that first, and then I'll do the chain, and I will oil the chain, and I will check everything else to make sure that she's very clean for collection tomorrow, Saturday the 23rd of October. So this sale was made on the Mashujaa Day, and I just felt like, wow, the gods of the Shujaas really had everything and the good things for us in place, because the new owner made that decision on Shujaa Day. I consider Kenia such a Shujaa bike. She has done 20 countries and she has been amazing to me, and as much as I really did not want to ride her anymore, this is a bike that I honestly love so much, and I am happy that it's going to a good person. Let me share something else about the new owner. So once he made the decision to make the payment for the bike, like really buy the bike, the next day he sent me a message and said, my mom has even put your picture with the bike on her profile picture on WhatsApp. That is how much my mom is excited for me. And you know what? Getting the blessings from your parents, especially as a biker, is something that is so good. It gives you the peace of mind when you're out there. You know that they care, they love, and they appreciate what you're doing, and they value that love for your motorcycle. So Kenia is going to a really, really happy family. I'm going to get a very good footage of all the signatures on this bike and all the stickers, because those are memories that I really want to keep with me. I know I have a lot of photos, I know I have a lot of videos, but somehow I feel like I really need to take the footage again. Also, let me let you know that this video is sponsored by Throttle KE, which is a product of Throttle Adventures, and you can get these t-shirts from us. We have this Throttle Adventures t-shirts and many more. You need to check out our Instagram, Throttle KE, for everything that we have for you. Let's get back to the job. So this signature here that has really faded, this was the president of Botswana, and we have many more signatures here. This one you can see it is not really fading. This was done in Kotakachi by friends we met there. This signature right here was by Wakiliti Mom. It's still visible. He signed this on the day we left the country. This was from Brazil. We never went to Brazil, but we met with people from Brazil. And then this was Jero. Jero signed this before we left the country. Oh, this is our son. Ride safe. There's so many signatures. Absolute legend. So many signatures. I want to keep these memories. We hosted One Road One World back here in Kenya before we even left, and so they left the stickers for us. We also hosted Global Women Who Ride founder, and she left a sticker which we also put there. So this is from Dr. Kamisi Kagwana, Minister for Tourism, Tanzania. Villa Kuntenberg in Chile. I'm going to use the petrol to clean the signatures, and I just hope it works. Yeah. So that was me trying to remove the signatures with petrol, like petrol fuel for the bike. Yes, and it didn't work. So I've Googled, and this is what Google tells me. So here are my 2 bottles of nail polish and some pure cotton pads, and that's what I'm going to try now and see if it works. With acetone seems to do the job, but there are some signatures that are really like really on the fairings. Hazitoki, zingine zinatoka. To be honest, rubbing off or cleaning these signatures is emotional. I've been reading one of them. I was reading each one of them and remembering who signed and where we met, and somehow feels like I'm erasing those memories of this bike, but I also understand it's going to a new person who doesn't relate with those signatures at all, doesn't know who signed and why they signed and where we met, so that is understandable. But I'm happy to be able to keep those memories in photos and videos. So yeah, but it's a bit emotional, that's a fact. I won't lie to you. It feels like I'm letting go a part of me. I know I haven't ridden this bike in a year. I haven't. I've done it I think twice, and very short distances, but it still feels sad, emotional. Not sad, it's still emotional to let it go. But I am happy that it's going to do more countries than I did. It's going to be with someone who really loves it and is going to ride it, not pack it at home like me. So now I'm just going to have it cleaned with water because it's pretty dirty. The last ride we did was to Magadi and came back very dusty. she's very, very clean now. And next is lube it and take it back to the packing. So today is the day of the big reveal, and if you haven't sold your bike ever, the standards have been set, and they've been set so high. He brought me some chocolate for comfort and some sparkling wine to celebrate. How cool is that? And can you tell them something?
Okay, so I'm getting a new bike. Excited.
It's not just a bike, it is a bike that did the world.
Yes.
Okay, what are the world?
That has stopped the world, yeah, so celebration.
Yes.
Yes.
Now, if you haven't sold your bike, these are the standards. Please do not take buyers who come walking saying leta funguo na logbook niende. Those are not the buyers you need.
And that is how Kenia has a new home and a new owner, and I just hope you enjoyed this video. Let me know what you think in the comment section below. If you haven't subscribed to this channel, this is the moment that you get to click that red button that says subscribe and click the bell right next to it to make sure you don't miss out on my next chapter of my motorcycle journey. Also, if you missed out on my announcement on my new motorcycle that I'll be riding for this new chapter, get to watch this video and see you in the next video.